a database of the top selling ClickBank niches for info product sellers, people like myself and yourself, people who are going to sell either ebooks or software. Now the first thing you'll notice is I've put ClickBank etc., because even though ClickBank is one network and this is going to show us what's selling on ClickBank, we can also extrapolate that to the wider information product business. So it's really the indispensable tool for any marketer who wants to dominate their niche. So let me just show you exactly how the tool works and run through some possible use cases. So the first thing you'll see is we have this filter by niche option, and these are ClickBank's own categories. So for example, in terms of internet marketing, it's kind of a bit hit and miss really. These categories have evolved sort of out over time, but they've not really been changed that much, even though obviously trends change and there's no internet marketing category as such. There's e-business and e-marketing. There's no dieting category. There's health and fitness. So the categories here can be a little bit hit and miss, and so you may decide to look at some of our keywords down here which have been pulled from the title. But anyway, let's for example choose e-business and e-marketing, which is kind of going to show us internet marketing products. You can see there's 118 products that will show up. If I click clear form, you can see that there are 1,638 products in total on here. Basically there's like 20,000 products I think on ClickBank, but what we've done is you've only pulled in the products that have got at least a gravity of 10. If it's selling, if it's got a gravity of 1 or 2, it's got a gravity of 0, and we're not really interested because they're not making much money. It is possible to make a full-time living from a product that's got a gravity of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so that's kind of the sweet spot, and that's what our focus is. You can see we can also filter by different types. So the first filter is gravity. Now there are two basic filters here. One is a minimum, so show products with a gravity of at least 20, 50 or 100, and the second one is to show products with a gravity of less than 20. And the only reason that you'd really show products with a gravity of less than 20 is if you wanted to find products that you can potentially partner with. So Alexa though will actually show us the traffic that the site gets, and like I say, it's not always super accurate, but by using that Alexa filter we can sort of get a second idea of how the sites are doing. So you can see there's like 1,600 sites on here. If I go with an Alexa of under 100,000, then you'll see that it only brings up 42. So we've still got pretty much what the top 10 currently looks like. Another good one is SEO, and you'll see that there's actually a ton of sites that do get a lot of SEO traffic. So if I go with $1,000 per month or more, you'll see that 100 sites here are getting more than $1,000 per month in SEO traffic. And of course we can also try and compete in these niches ourselves. The cool thing, by the way, about SEO traffic is even if we don't have the patience to go ahead and target these different keywords via SEO and spend the time to rank, what we can do is we can find sites that are appearing on those same keywords that these sites are ranking, and either get them to run our ad by advertising ads on those sites, or potentially go ahead and actually try and rank for those keywords. If we do go with a higher price product, then generally those are the better markets, because if people are willing to spend 47, 67, 49, etc., 97 on a product, then they are probably very passionate buyers, and so that can always be a useful search to run. A database of banners and creatives that we can use to promote ClickBank products. And one of the great things about this is that we can actually add multiple banners and automatically split test them. So you can see that we've got 2,438 ads in the database, and for 1,396 different affiliate programs on ClickBank, and we can filter by different niches. So let's choose, for example, e-business and e-marketing. You can see you've got 176 ads, and we can also filter by gravity. So for example, products with a gravity of 20 or more. We can filter by Alexa, any commission, so only show sites that pay out at least $20 in commission, or sites that only pay out $70 in commission. However, the most interesting part of this database is the fact that we've filtered, it says stats, it should actually say type, we've filtered all of the banners and added them to the database based on 4 different types. So the first type is vertical ads, and let me just show you the vertical ads. Very simply, these are ads that are more vertical than they are long. So if I just scroll down, you can see this is what a vertical ad looks like. But the second thing that we have is text headlines as well. And essentially what we've done is we've gone through and grabbed the headline for a lot of these offers. So this is kind of like, you know, Google AdSense on steroids. And of course, clicking on these will go through to our affiliate link.
First thing is create your website. So it's going to ask you to choose your URL and your ClickBank ID. So if we just put Rich ClickBank ID, I'll use a bank ID that you already have, and you just create website. Okay, so it will ask you, are you sure you want to use this URL? This cannot be changed. You just click OK, use this website URL. Okay, brilliant. Now, the way this software works is it's got 3 different types of affiliate programs preloaded into it. So it has the ClickBank affiliate programs, JVZoo, and the Warrior Plus. Now, in the case of Warrior Plus and JVZoo, you will need first to request approval for the affiliate links and then grab those affiliate links and paste them onto the software. Whereas with the ClickBank, you actually don't need to do that. The approval links is basically done automatically. Okay. Now, here it says you can now choose 5 niches that you would like your website to focus on. Okay, so I'll click on affiliate, I'll click on traffic, I'll click on make money, I'll click on e-commerce and funnel. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then click save and choose products. Now those 5 niches will appear at the top of the nav menu within our page. So our website is basically going to be divided into those 5 niches. Okay, so now what you then need to do here is basically choose 5 of those niches you've selected, check on the left, then on the right click on the star icon to rate your products, and you know you can preview the sales pages, the affiliate pages before you set your rating. But you know, for the sake of time, you pick your 5 products then, and you simply click this button here and you rate each one. Now with the affiliate link, what you need to do is you need to remember, as we said before, the ClickBank affiliate links are automatically approved, but the Warrior Plus and the JVZoo, you'd have to, you know, click on the affiliate page and so on. But for the sake of time, I'm just gonna put something generic. It will look something like that, the JVZoo one, and the Warrior Plus will be different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just click on that, make sure you rate. So you rate them, and then let's pick 5 here. Let's go back here. Selected each product from 5 of the different niches, and we choose 5 affiliate programs, we rate them. You want to go to the sales page and affiliate page to grab the ID and paste it back into the software. But for the sake of time, I've just copied and pasted the JVZoo affiliate link. But you will want to go to those pages, and then once that's done, you know, you click on next, and then what it will then do is now it will say you can choose your number 1 pick. And so basically what you can do is you can choose the top pick for each niche, and this will appear at the top of the page of that niche as your top recommendation. So either, you know, the good thing is you can add your own video, or you know, you can actually take a review video from YouTube, but this software will actually do it all for you by just clicking here. It will automatically add the video for you. So if you just click this button here, and then remember to rate it. Remember, you need to go to the affiliate page to get the actual link, but for the sake of time, I'll just paste the JVZoo link. Again, click. Okay, so then what it will do is next, you'll be able to choose from 2 7x2 weight by 90 banner ads. So basically, these are elements that you can add to the sidebar. You know, these are banners basically. So you can pick 2. So if I'll just click on here, you can see these are ClickBank banners. I'll click on these 2 here. Again, you can always click on here to, you know, view the sales letter and affiliate page, but for the sake of time, we'll move on. And then also you can choose another 2 300 by 325 banner ads. So I'll select these 2 here. You can see it's got the affiliate links here. And then you can also paste your autoresponder code. So to collect leads through, you know, your autoresponder like Aweber, you could just copy and paste that code there. But I'll skip that for now. And over here as well, you can actually, what you can do over here, you can enter your social URL, which actually appears as a clickable subscriber link within the sidebar. So you know, you could add your details there, but for that I will skip that for now. And if you just click on congratulations. Okay, so now if we click on share, basically it will ask you to type in a keyword that best describes the product or service you want to promote. So internet marketing, we're going to put in internet marketing, and then you click proceed and choose content. Okay, and so over here now there'll be a question, an answer, and then an image. So it's step 2, choose content. Now you can choose the question that will build curiosity and entice people with benefits. So if we, you know, put the question 1, do you want to launch? Now basically, you know, you can preview. Now this is how it's going to look, your site once you're ready to post. So now if you save and click on get traffic, and what will happen here now, basically, you can see that we've categorized all the different categories into basically different social sites. So sites that have over 100 million users, ones that focus on list building, ones that you know focus on e-commerce buyers, and so on. So the last step is really then you just kind of, it's time to share this site so you can start to generate traffic. Now over here you see an avatar icon. If you click on that, and if you see profile, if you click on profile, and over here at the bottom you'll see it says ClickBank username. So this is where essentially you type in your ClickBank username. So I'll just type in, and then you just click save. Okay, and so now we're ready to start creating campaigns. And there's actually 4 steps that I suggest you take in order to get the best out of the software each time that you want to create a campaign. So the first thing that you want to do is find videos that you can use as content. It allows you to share these campaigns, which are composed of underlining video, affiliate links, or products that you're promoting on top of that video, and then also social share buttons. So basically it's a 3-in-1, and we've got affiliate promotions, and we've got video content, and we've also got the ability to go viral. And we actually don't need to use our own content, we can use other people's content. And the easiest way to approach this is just to go over to YouTube and search for how to, and then enter whatever the benefit is that you think your particular customers in that niche market are interested in. So let me go over to YouTube. Okay, so if we go over to YouTube, okay, and if you go over here and you click on new campaign, right, and it's going to ask you for a name. So what I'll do is I'll type in how to build muscle. Our video source, so over here you can actually add an MP4 link, you can use a Vimeo link, but you know, YouTube is what I'll suggest you start with, because it is the easiest option. And so we choose YouTube and then video URL. So all you do is you now paste the video you've just got from YouTube, and you see that it automatically, and then what you then see is the tick comes up, and now you just click next. Okay, so now it's time to look at the product section. So over here it's time to choose the products. So let's go with the first one. Now when you click on there and you click on choose a product, you see you've got a variety of different products on how to build muscle that you can pick. So let's start off with just unlock your glutes. Okay, and then what it does, and by the way, these are listed in order of gravity. So what I mean by that is popularity of the product. Okay, so let's go to unlock. No, let's go with isometric mass. You can now then see the titles there, the description, you've got the price of the product, you've got the link, and if you remember before, our ClickBank nickname, it appears there on the link if you can see that. And then so you've got all the key information there, you can see that, and it's just basically a breakdown of everything that you would need. Okay, it's instantly added to the video in order to launch the campaign. Okay, so that's product one. You know, they've all got with the content, the copy, the images, everything is basically done. So the campaign's done now, and it basically only took, as you can see, a few seconds literally to do. So this campaign is done. We can now go into the customization page. So if you click on next, and what you can do over here, we can now change the color of the player background. So this is the if we click yellow, you see blue. Okay, see, and then you've also got the sharing links. We can add them. So look, if you click on what you do, you see Facebook added onto the actual video. If you can add Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. So you can see all them added now onto the actual video itself. You can also add a branding icon on top, and what you see is it will actually appear. You see that it will appear there, branding logo. So you'd have to upload that from your desktop, and what you see all the social accounts. You know, you see all of them here. And what you need to do is, it's really simple. You just click and select on the campaign you've just created, and if you know it's time for you to start sharing on these social accounts. So